Hello, do you have a problem in solving some of the algebraic expression? So today I want us to solve some of the algebraic expression that you're having. So we have 4x plus 2 is equals to 18. So I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. If you have or know how you can work it out the best way possible, so share your answer in the comment section so that at the end of this we can share. So don't scroll, we have at least 2 of them. So after working this one out, we shall work out the next. So we have 4x plus 2 is equals to 18. So in this case we have the like terms and the unlike terms, or we have the known and the unknown. Like 4x is known, so we have to have 4x on this other side. The unknown we have on the other side, so meaning that we have 18. So this 2 is also unknown, so we shall have to move it to this other side. So now we shall, when you move it to other side, it was plus 2. When it crosses this equal sign, shall be minus 2. So from there now we shall have, let's simplify it, 4x is equals to 18 minus 2, which is 16. So for us here, when you want to remain with x, we simply divide both sides by 4 by 4. So now when we cancel them each other, so now we shall have x is equals to 4 here once, 4 into 16 is 4. So our x is equals to 4. So that's how we solve it. So let's move to the second one. So here we have this 8x plus 5 is equals to 3x plus 20. So it asks to simplify this algebraic expression. So if you also know how to work it out and you are algebraic guru, or you are that champion, you are used to advanced expression in algebraic, so share your answers with us on the comment section. So let's kickstart. So let's have now the solution to this problem here. Now, so the similar way we have done the other one. So we need to bring 8x and 3x in the same space. Like then from this other one, 5 and 20, we also have to bring them together. Reason 8x and 3x are the known or the like terms. So let's start it. So now we shall have 8x. So we need to bring this 3x to this other side. Now when you see 3x here, it's a positive number. So when it crosses the equal sign, now it shall be a negative number. So now we shall have 8x minus 3x is equals to, now here we have 20, that is positive 20. We want to bring this positive 5 to this other side. So when it crosses the equal sign, it shall be, it was initially positive 5, when it crosses the equal sign, it shall be minus 5, meaning that it shall be negative 5. So from here now we have 8x minus 3x, and 8x minus 3x shall have 5x is equals to 20 minus 5, which is 15. So after that point, now we are left with simplification. So we want to remain with x. So for us to remain with x, we divide both sides by 5. So here now we shall divide this column by 5, this side also by 5. So now when we simplify, x here shall be 5 here once, 5 into 15 is 3, because 3 times 5 is 15. So here from there we shall say x is equals to 3. So now 3 now becomes the answer. So if you really like this channel, simply subscribe and like, so that this video reaches to more of us. You know, when you subscribe these videos, when you like them, when you comment on the section, I feel motivated to bring you most of these videos that targets maths every day. So let's stop there until next time. Bye bye.